Hi guys, my name is Donna. My channel is Donna's Corn-Free Cooking, and as the title suggests, it's to teach others who have a corn allergy how they can adapt recipes and live their life without corn or its derivatives. There's also information on my journey through this allergy and how I adapt and how you can too. The recipes that I share have all been adapted with no corn products, but they are delicious for anyone, not just someone with an allergy. So I hope you guys will come over and take a look at my channel, and if you like it, please be sure to subscribe and leave me a comment and hit that bell for notifications when new videos are uploaded. So hope to see you soon. Bye.